These two pieces are cut down for the front and the back of the drawer, which is 23.5 inches wide. Now, the sides are going to be 16.5, I believe. 16.5, yes. So cutting two sides at 16.5 for the sides. All right, so I got my 4 pieces for the drawer cut out, the 2 fronts and the sides. Now I'm gonna get the planer out and I'm gonna plane these 3/4 inch boards down to a 1/2 inch. 3/4 of an inch, just for me, it's too thick for a drawer. So I'm gonna get it planed down.